Hello and welcome to my video all about how to do K2tog and K3tog decreases. K2togs are single decreases, so they reduce the number of stitches by 1, whilst K3togs are double decreases, so they reduce the number of stitches by 2. To begin this row, I'm just going to knit a few stitches. To do a K2tog, all you need to do is take your right hand needle up to the next 2 stitches, like so, and then do the usual steps of a knit stitch. So cross the right hand needle behind, wrap the yarn, bring the yarn through to the front, and push the stitch off the left needle. How the K2tog works is that you're basically taking one loop of yarn and taking it through 2 loops of yarn. And you can see the process a bit more clearly in this diagram. And now I'll show you that again. So take the right hand needle up into the next 2 stitches on the left hand needle and knit them together like so. Note that a K2tog takes up 2 stitches. So if you want a K2tog 3 stitches from the end of a row, you'll need to start it 5 stitches from the end. Here is the result when I do K2togs 3 stitches from each edge on every right side row. Note that K2togs and K3togs are right leaning. The K3tog or knit 3 together decrease is exactly the same concept, except you're knitting 3 stitches together. So just take your right hand needle up to the next 3 stitches on the left hand needle. And do all the usual steps of a knit stitch. This can be a little bit tight to do. This reduces 3 stitches down to just 1. And again, so take your right hand needle up through the next 3 stitches and knit them together. As you can see, their appearance is very similar to the K2togs, but perhaps a bit bulkier. And that's it, that's how you do the K2tog and K3tog decreases. I really hope you found that useful and thank you very much for watching.